Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use MailerLite for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing platform, perfect for beginners looking to build and manage email campaigns. After logging in, you'll need to set up your profile under Account Settings. Fill in details like your company name, address, and website. Next, go to Subscribers in the top menu. Click Add Subscribers and Create Group to segment your audience into lists. To create a campaign, navigate to Campaigns in the top menu, click Create Campaign, choose a subject line, and select the type of campaign you want to run. If you're interested in automating your email sequences, click on Automation and create your own workflow. Here you'll find various templates to get started. And that's it. You're now ready to start using MailerLite to build and manage your email campaigns as a beginner. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.